Yes.
Yeah.
We are live.
Good deal. We're live.
Mm-hmm.
I hope not live.
Mm-hmm.
Big time. Ha ha ha. All right. On the magneto speed, it is on. It should be shot number 12. It should show you 11. Okay, it's showing 11. So that's perfect. That's right. You know. So this is going to be number 12, but just on the. This is only the third shot on this gun.
That gun. Mm-hmm.
So, all right. We're all set with all this stuff. I think we're ready to go. So. Now I want you to take note of how much this kicks.
Okay.
Okay? It's surprising. The gun's a lot heavier.
Okay.
It doesn't kick half as bad as a Savage.
Okay.
So we might even have to have you shoot one, hon. Okay? All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. It hit paper.
All right.
Yeah, so that's cool. 2591 is the velocity of that.
Okay.
That dropped a lot. That dropped a whole lot.
Okay.
That's kind of odd. Yeah, something's funny with that.
Oh.
It's not like the conditions are much different today
Right.
than they were the other day.
Right.
The other day it was 27 degrees out. Today it's 30. So the temperature shouldn't be it. The barrel's really clean. They've been clean both times. Maybe it's just because it's a breaking in gun.
Okay.
So we'll see. All right. Well, you get to shoot the next one, honey.
No, I'm good.
Come on. Serious.
I'm recording.
All right. So we took our third shot, just cleaned the barrel, and here's our results here. So before I took the shot, I went ahead and ran another patch of sweets through it. And that way I made sure there wasn't any copper or lead in the barrel. And then this was a dry patch right after the sweets, and I mean it was clean as could be. So then we took our shot, and this was the first patch out of it. Here was the second, which, you know, they're extremely dirty. Here's the third patch, which showed a lot of improvement again, just like last time. And then the fourth patch, for some reason this time the fourth one's a little bit dirtier than on the last shot, on the second bullet. For whatever reason, I don't know why, but it doesn't really matter. Just and then here was the fifth shot. It's like 90% clean. So
The fifth claw.
yep.
You
So
said the fifth shot.
oh yeah, the fifth patch. Sorry.
It's okay.
But so yeah, this hammer forged barrel just in 3 shots is really showing a lot of signs of being seasoned.
Okay.
The barrel has a micro finish in it, and you know, it's I'd say it's pretty much done with seasoning. But I'd like to get one more shot here, just for the heck of it, a fourth shot, which I think would tell us a little bit more about the gun in general, you know. I love, okay, the gun weighs a lot more, right?
Right.
It weighs more than like some of the other brands. There's another Savage, it weighs like 11 pounds. This one, it weighs like 15, almost 16 pounds.
Okay.
But the benefits to it are it outweighs any negatives I can see. I don't care, if it weighs 3 or 4 pounds more, so what? Just because the amount that it relieves the kickback and everything it's unbelievable. I can't believe how much easier this is to shoot than some of the other brands. So I don't know if Mrs. Struttinbuck, I am very confident that you would be comfortable shooting this gun.
Okay.
Big time. So I don't know. Did you want to give it a shot?
Sure.
Maybe. Sure? I love that. I love it. Okay, good. I like that. That'll work. All right. Then we'll get this all ready then. Here, I think that the controversy about seasoning a hammer forged barrel, I'm convinced that hammer forged barrels are pretty smooth inside, and you don't really need to do a whole lot of seasoning to them. If you want to, go ahead and season the first 3 or 4 shots, just for the heck of it, and then that way you know that you have a micro-polished barrel. I mean, it's probably every bit as good as any lapped barrel anyone's ever done. So that's the way I'm going to look at it. So 4th shot. Let's see how this goes, hon. I'm ready for this. Let's see here. All right. There's going to be a couple things just when you look through the scope. Let's see. This is all set up here. We got the magneto speed set up, and our next round is. Our last one was an 88.1 grain round. Now this is shooting 300 grain Burgers bullets, the OTM tactical bullets, which is this right here. Then it has Ruger brass. Wait, yeah, is it Ruger? No, it's what's the Hornady brass. And then 88.3 grains of Ogden Rotumbo powder.
Right.
So, yeah. So we'll see how this one goes. Alright, I'm just going to leave that forward for you, hon. Alright, are you ready? Oh yeah, we have to get our earmuffs and stuff, right? Uh-huh. I'm glad it's a lot nicer out today.
Yeah,
you know? Here, you go ahead and get your earmuffs on, then I'll put mine on.
I was just going to hand them to you.
Okay. Thank you.